So you got yourself the new Swagger 5 electric scooter from Swagtron. First, you'll want to check the box for any signs of carrier damage. Take photos in case you need to contact us. Now it's time to unpack. Carefully remove everything from the box, including the user manual and any tools. If you see anything missing inside the box, contact us at swagtron.com using our live chat, and we will enter you into our expedited replacement program. You're understandably ready to hop on and ride, but before you do, there are some checks you should perform to get the most out of your Swagger 5. Attach the brake handle to the bar using the included 5mm Allen. It's powerful, durable, premium, packed with features. It's everything you expect from a flagship e-scooter. When attaching the grips, the left handle is lefty-loosey and right handle is threaded backwards to the standard. The right grip will rotate towards the body when standing on the deck. The left grip will also rotate towards you when standing on the deck. This will ensure the handles tighten when riding. Once you assembled the Swagger 5, it's time to get it charged. Follow these steps when charging to make sure the power supply is good. If it reads red, it's bad. If it reads green, it's good to go. Once you have that, connect it to the scooter. Your power supply indicator should go red. Expect 3.5 hours for fully charged. And remember, we're here for you if you need us. Our expert customer support is staffed right here in the US, and they're available by phone, email, or live chat at swagtron.com. When shipped, the air in the front tire will come deflated. You'll want to inflate it to at least 28 psi. If the tire is too flat, it'll have too much drag and you won't be able to reach top speeds, but don't inflate more than 40 psi. The tire valve stem might be a bit short for some air pumps, so you might need to purchase a valve extender from your local auto store. The Swagger 5 is fully assembled, tire properly inflated, battery fully charged. Now you're ready to go, right? Well, almost. Always wear protective gear while riding the Swagger 5 Elite. To power on, press and hold the power button for 2 to 3 seconds. To change the speed mode, quickly press the power button between 1, 2, and 3. Turn on headlights with 2 quick presses. Notice the rear light blinks when on. To turn off the light, 2 quick presses. When you use the rear brake, the rear light will indicate. Now let's use the app. Download and install from the Play or Apple Store, turn on the phone Bluetooth, pair to connect. The Swagger Bluetooth turns on automatically. With the Swagger app, you can change speed modes, make a profile, turn on the headlight, turn off the headlight, allow access to your location, and built-in mapping will track your travels. You can click on settings to make personal adjustments on how you would like to ride. Here they are. To engage cruise control, press and hold the throttle, let go. Use the brake to engage auto guard stop. Turn push to go feature on. Turn push to go feature off. All depends how you like to ride. What is auto guard, you ask? Anytime you engage the brake, the motor will completely disengage. This is our auto guard technology. Now that you know everything about your Swagger 5 Elite, time to practice riding in an open space without obstacles. Now let's talk about maintenance. New brakes may become loose over time. If you notice it takes a long time to come to a complete stop, this may be the problem. To quickly tighten your brake cable, adjust the hand brake tension knob. Give it a test. If you need more, adjust your rear brake tension knob. This adjustment should have noticeable effects. Now you should be good to stop when you ride. The Swagger 5 Elite is crafted with premium quality materials. It's built to last, but regular maintenance will go a long way for keeping your Swagger in optimum condition. Routinely check front tire air pressure and inflate when needed. This will keep your Swagger 5 going at top speed and longer distance. Routinely inspect your tire and keep inflated to proper PSI. Your Swagger will thank you. After riding for many miles, some nuts and bolts may come loose. If your stem latch is loose, here is a simple fix. Grab a 5mm Allen key, unlock the latch, open it up. Using a rotation of 1/4 to 1/2, try tightening the outer bolt to proper tension. If you tighten too much, the latch will not close. Another tip would be to keep the stem closed and adjust the bolt until the latch has proper resistance when closing. If your stem consistently becomes loose, our last tip would be to make sure the inside barrel bolt is tightened. Time to move on to stopping power. Our brakes are similar to many mountain bikes and can oftentimes become misaligned. Here are a few tips to adjust. With a 5mm Allen key, locate the inner caliper bolt and tighten or loosen. With a 5mm Allen key, loosen the cradle, positioning the caliper. Loosen just enough to get a little wiggle, not too much. Next, use one hand to hold the brake lever and tighten while holding the brake. This will move the cradle to a proper alignment position. Make sure you properly tighten, as this is your braking power. Visually inspect, give it a couple of tests, and you should be good to stop. Is your throttle not working? Try checking the auto guard kill switch in your handbrake. If this is not engaged, then your throttle will not activate. Here is one way to fix the problem. Using tape to protect your Swagger 5's finish, apply to the area you want to clamp. Once ready, apply a firm amount of pressure until the pieces have moved back into position. With any questions, please go to swagtron.com and push live chat for our expedited services.